My name is Isaac Hakey, and I'm the president at Safe UV. Safe UV is a technology company that specializes in manufacturing germicidal ultraviolet lamps. We started Safe UV during the pandemic when we saw the need for more disinfection technologies. In what really is a new space of disinfection technologies post-pandemic, Safe UV is an innovator by bringing a new product and technology into the industry. Some of the pathogens that Safe UV lamps can eliminate include COVID, the common cold, flu, and many others. But we started Safe UV in West Virginia, one, because all of the founding team are West Virginia University graduates, and there's a lot of talented folks in West Virginia looking for good manufacturing and technology jobs in the area. The best part about being a small business owner is being able to create jobs in a community you care about, and in Safe UV's case, we're also going to be manufacturing a product that can help not only the local community here and the state, hopefully the entire country as well. The process of securing the funding with the EDA was a really smooth, easy process. From the beginning, before we even had funding from the EDA, Matt Borer, boots on the ground, visited our business multiple times, just seeing if there was any ways he could help, and identified that they might be able to work with us on funding and really kicked the process off. At that point, it was handed over to Steve Webb and Martha Phillips, who helped us from the beginning of signing up for the funding, as well as deploying it, just making that whole process really easy. We specifically used it to purchase components for our ultra-high vacuum system, which is necessary for UV lamp manufacturing. That equipment can be really difficult for a startup business to buy and secure financing for, and that EDA funding made that process very easy for us. Probably even more valuable than the funding itself is the network that the EDA provides. Through the EDA, we have met many other West Virginia business owners that have actually turned into vendors for Safe UV. Business owners in West Virginia should absolutely look to work with the West Virginia EDA.